watu walivyoenda kuendelea kukata miti, kulianza kupungua mvua na hizo springs zikaanza kukauka na zingine zikakauka kabisa.
They walk very long distances. Some of them actually move about 5 kilometers to get to where the water is.
Tunatumia mazingira yetu vibaya. Tumekata miti ili tuchome makaa.
Miti ilikuwa hapa, hao wametupa miti karibu 20,000.
Tulijaribu kuwaita tukawaambia umuhimu wa kuhifadhi misitu, lakini sasa ufisadi nao hauishi.
Mwanadamu naye amejifanya tena mdudu mwingine mbaya ambaye anakatakata miti.
Huko msituni kulikuwa na manguruwe. Manguruwe makubwa sana kama ng'ombe. Sasa hivi hata mmoja ukienda huioni.
Climate change adaptation is defined by the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change as initiatives and measures designed to reduce the vulnerability of natural and human systems against actual or expected climate change effects.
Climate change adaptation is trying to be able to understand the effects of climate change, therefore focusing our actions towards reducing the impacts or preventing those impacts that come about with the effects of climate change.
Smallholder farmers are the most vulnerable to climate change, and they have no alternative but to adapt their livelihood systems to changing climatic conditions.
The little land you have, we must make sure that if you are having even 3 acres, you have to plant some trees even in a 1/4 acre, so that if everyone can have some woodlot, plant some border trees, we shall take our environment back to where it was.
The debate of the impact of climate change on farmer livelihood is fast shaping into a race of quantifying the major contributors to global warming. However, the impact of these disturbances on farmer livelihoods is real. More investments and participation from all stakeholders is important in managing the current situation.
How can we now therefore work with the members of the community, and in this case smallholder farmers, to address those risks? So now we have got now aspects of addressing the risks, ranging from adaptation, and that is basically climate smart agriculture, moving into mitigation and going into risk management and working with policymakers by coming up with data and tools that can help them to know the best practices that can help the farmers to overcome the food insecurity. And so it is a number of things that we do in partnership with all the stakeholders to ensure that we address the problems that are coming about because of climate change and climate variability.
Through application of adaptation and mitigation strategies promoted by Pelham Kenya and its member organizations, farmers are now better coping with these changes. The fight to gain control of food sufficiency continues, but project farmers may soon have an upper hand in this duel.
Mazingira ni kitu muhimu na ndio uti wa mgongo wa maisha ya kila kiumbe.
We need to be able to adapt in order to survive.